Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Kajal here with you. I hope मेरी लास्ट वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रही हो एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो भी अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द लाइक बटन. So let's get started. In this video we will learn how the interest on capital is calculated and this video will help you in solving the practical questions of P&L appropriation account. Because in the P&L appropriation account हम क्या करते हैं, व्हाट वी डू, हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल चार्ज करते हैं, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स चार्ज करते हैं. सो इस वीडियो में मैंने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टॉपिक कवर किया है. आई होप दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू. सो फर्स्ट थिंग you have to remember is interest on capital is calculated on opening capital. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में क्लोजिंग कैपिटल दी हुई है, इफ़ द क्लोजिंग कैपिटल इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, देन फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल हैव टू डू इज you will have to calculate opening capital. Okay, if nothing is given, in the question, second thing is interest on capital should be calculated in the proportion of time. If any relevant information is given. For example, there are two partners started their business on 1st November 2018. So interest on capital is calculated only for the 5 months as November, December, January, February and March. We all know that accounts are closed at 31st March every year. Yes, so it should be calculated in a proportion of time. Third thing is whenever opening capital is not given. कभी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर आपको ओपनिंग कैपिटल नहीं दी हुई है और इट इज़ मिसिंग, then we have to calculate the opening capital first. And there are two type of capital accounts. So first is fixed and second is fluctuating. So in case of fixed capital, सपोज क्वेश्चन में आपको क्लोजिंग कैपिटल गिवन है एंड ये भी गिवन है कि जो पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल है वो फिक्स्ड है, देन आपको ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं. इन केस ऑफ फिक्स्ड कैपिटल वन शुड फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. whenever closing capital is given, closing capital, then we have to add withdrawal of capital. After that, just subtract additional capital. After following these steps, in case of fixed capital, we will find our opening capital. In case of fixed capital, closing capital, add withdrawal of capital, subtract additional capital. This is the step to calculate opening capital. Now, in case of fluctuating capital, I will write few steps you have to follow to calculate the opening capital. Whenever the partner's capital is fluctuating, please note these steps. So, closing capital, add drawings of the partner. Add withdrawal of capital. After adding the withdrawal of capital, add interest on drawings. Then add the partner's share of loss. These are the 4 things जो हमें ऐड करनी होती हैं क्लोजिंग कैपिटल में, राइट. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग few things which you have to subtract. So, additional capital. अगर किसी भी पार्टनर ने एडिशनल कैपिटल लगाई है तो वो हम डिडक्ट करेंगे. Second thing, share of, here the share of loss, here we will write share of profit. After share of profit, interest on capital. And last thing, the salary or commission. Finally, we have our opening capital. So, in case of fluctuating capitals of partner, these are the following steps you have to remember. Closing capital, add drawings, add withdrawal of capital, add interest on drawings, and add share of loss. After doing this, you have to deduct additional capital, the share of profit, interest on capital, and salary or commission. I hope आप लोगों को ये टॉपिक समझ आया हो और आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहे. थैंक यू. तो देन नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में मैं कवर करूँगी इंटरेस्ट ऑन drawings. Till then, bye bye.